I was thinking we should come up with like an intro.
Well, the intro you respond for them so they want to hear.
Like an intro song.
Next time.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Oh, you ain't gonna sing?
Yeah, like Reasoning Fridays.
Alright,
Fridays.
you build up on
Yeah, good.
I can't go on that beat. We'll leave that for the next one. We're gonna think of something and come up with it.
How could I want no?
Welcome back to Reasoning Fridays Part 2. Right? So, on the first video we uploaded, you guys said you guys really like the vibes and how it needs to be longer than 10 minutes. So, we're gonna actually make it 15 minutes. The last video we said that we're gonna make you guys leave some topics for our next upcoming videos, but we're also gonna start off this video where we left off the last one where the topic was, is Canada weed better than Jamaica weed? Or is Jamaica weed better than Canada weed? Right?
Something like that.
Okay, so we're gonna put the timer on. The timer officially starts now. So which one's better? Jamaican weed or Canada weed? What do you say first? Just choose one first before we jump in the topic. Canada or Jamaica?
Why that one there?
Just choose
that
one.
one the tough man. Jesus.
Okay, what do you say? Jamaica or Canada?
You say Jamaican.
You say Jamaica's better?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna say Canada's better, but we'll go into why. Which one you say?
I'm gonna say if me have a constant supply of one, but I really want. Sorry.
Which one's better?
The
Jamaica.
firing one, man.
Hold on. Alright.
Firing one. Why firing one?
Okay,
I two questions supposed to do then.
What? Why is Jamaican better and why is Canada better?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine.
Because you can say, me that say this one
Better because
better
of this.
because it's stronger.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
stronger wise,
Canada.
Better
Jamaican.
to me. Yeah.
Because obviously we know Jamaican weed is more natural.
Yeah.
Canada have more. They also have like chemicals.
I understand that.
Yes.
So, but when I feel like when you smoke Canadian weed, you get a different type of high. I've tried both, but then again, you know what? I can't really say because I've smoked Jamaican weed.
All right.
I smoked Jamaican weed and I got high.
All right.
I smoked Canadian weed and I've got high.
Okay.
So for me, I feel like it's hard to actually say.
For you. All right.
But for you,
reason.
okay, what? What's your reason?
So, from me the bun weed up here, like me get eye, like my eye to so till my eye.
So, you have to say you never high stage funny Jamaica one.
But no, that me go show you now.
Okay.
You remember the time when I bun the weed at Jamaica on the veranda, down on the block down at ski, right? Which part, when me done, I couldn't get up to go drive the car.
That was a hookah. Was that the hookah though?
Yeah, but me try the weed up here, I mean I get that day. So how strong they said this one be, and that the one I literally couldn't
I don't
move
believe
me.
that.
You don't believe me?
At that one time, them the kind of high you want.
No, but me I try to show you.
Oh,
That's the one me get off of one Jamaican weed.
Yeah.
And I want the strong weed on you get from town anytime, man.
Oh.
And that the weed they went strong which part. Only did they answer me sit down there, I'm literally like, me I say yo, me I go home. And me I say yo, me can't move me and them. Yeah, so that after me experience and me get off a weed a yard. Okay.
Well,
So
we get the experience of a weed a yard already. But them time the traveling thing we always travel and go down and Jamaican weed, but we done the Canadian weed up here. So me always tell my brother them say, boy, you know say foreign weed bun better still. Like you just get a different feeling. So I go down and me a bun, sit down on the veranda and a bun about 3 or 4, maybe a crib or something. And I drink a red stripe. At the same time I'm ready for going because that bridge in house over here, so I live right there. So in time I walk off of the veranda, down the road me I walk down the road me I walk go. So that's cool. I say yeah. I say well, it burn good still, but the reason why me like foreign weed, when I go a foreign, I normally burn the sex will come from a yard, but it come tight up and you don't know how it come and you spend your $10 and now you get $10 worth of weed, pay twig and seed and plus you don't know how them I carry for me. Because them time they did legal in Canada to do. So that's why I get through, me grew up in it. I just so still I guess.
oh cool.
Okay, yo, you guys ever smoke? Okay, I don't know what to say right now, but For me, because I've been in Jamaica and I smoked Jamaican weed, and I've like, you know when you ever smoke that certain type of weed and you either laugh, or you smoke that one where you get munchies, or you smoke that one where you just can't stop laughing. But I've had that experience up here too. I've had Jamaican weed, whenever I smoke it, it's like more relaxing. It kind of like relaxes you on a different level. But then the weed up here just makes you like hyper, like some of the places like you don't know what you want to do it yourself.
Well,
I never ever smoked Jamaica weed and I'm just like, yo, like I need to do this. Like the weed up here kind of like makes you like
chemical.
Like it puts you on a different level.
It's true, but you have to know what weed I do for you still. You can't just burn weed different weed this way. Sometimes you get a good batch of weed, you know man, and sometimes you give them $10 and you know what it. I mean, I eat that thing. That's why more time you buy a herb, you find that one specific herb somebody and him. Or her, yeah, get your special for, especially if them indulge in it to them, I'm gonna know, because they sell a whole heap of foolishness out the road there, you know.
For real, that is true.
But yeah, so, no, I cut you.
Yeah.
I cut you, but. Like, you know, you want people to do that. But anyways, some I herb them will make you laugh, some make you eat, some make you sleep. But the foreign government, the whole them do them thing, them dispenses certain way. Them build it with a specific. Because you know, it's a medicine, you know. And most of we are bunny, you know, really medicine we are bunny for your own vibe. But you have to know what I do for you because you have some weed, no man. You see what, they make you want to meditate, they make you want, like you said, you want to run, make you want to sit down, you know, man. Him sit down and couldn't get up, right? And me get up and I couldn't reach where me I go. You understand? Yo, I remember one time I bought a foreign weed, you know. And I decided to go build a pizza. Out of the blue to ass, get up, jump up, come downstairs and start build pizza. Pineapple. You probably on Instagram, say, you know. Pineapple.
Yeah.
This, that, the pizza big so. I mean, yeah, it raw, you know. Trust me. Nyam it half. Every time I eat it, I say, but wait, I don't normally nyam so much.
That's true.
No, that is true.
That's true.
That is so true.
So them have a specific for this stuff, but anyways.
Well, that's why, pan that the angle, you know, that's why I say, brother, Jamaica weed, you know, because it's just like how you say, oh, foreign weed now, them process it and then do this to it and that to it. That's the reason why me wouldn't give, like, say, foreign weed yet better, because too much things, like,
so
too much things that go through,
yeah,
for Jamaica, you know, you know, say, a natural growth. But what I say, you know, too much thing in it, I don't even know.
And there's so much different types too.
Yeah, like, or you go literally find out, say, alright, this is a way that go make you jump.
Yeah.
That way they go make you run, go down your road.
Scientists can't make it happen, man, because I guess them work off it off something they call it THC level or whatever. The potency of the thing. The only thing is when you're born with a friend, you can walk in a shop and pick the specific potency you really want. And I beat you on a scale from like 5 to 22. But that's kind of good when you can have them kind of opportunity there. It more control. That's why I stop bun the weed.
That's why I didn't control.
I stop bun the weed. That's why I stop bun the weed where we used to come from a yard via ship, boat, plane, cavity parts or intestinal parts, and that's how it come. Right? Plus then say embalming kind of stuff, and then that time they stop because I believe so the same syndrome I put on dead people that are flinging in herb, man. Yeah man, for about 10 years I stop, man, because for the said reason never used to buy the hydro because them time they illegal for really give you the ganja thing. You understand? And plus when you burn the hydro it make you forget that freaky there. And because you know the stress I want chill out thing where you just meds.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
But I feel like there's definitely a difference.
Yep.
Definitely.
There is a big difference.
What if I difference?
Because even like, the Jamaican weed, I feel like if it's a spliff, I can take more than one draw. Like, you know, I can just.
You can't take more than one draw.
But listen, this is what I'm saying.
Every time you get there, I need also.
Because I don't need to like. Once I do like 3 pulls, I'm good. I don't need to like smoke the whole thing to look cool.
Yeah.
But I'm talking like up here, like I feel like you can never really finish a spliff. Cause after like couple of draws, you never see me.
Yeah,
I don't
because
need to.
you don't need to be up here. So you know
So
really.
which way you can finish one?
I can finish one if I want to, but like to the level of highness that I get, I'm content. That's why I never really need to finish one. And I also feel like it depends on like I'm lightweight.
Like your tolerance.
Yes, I'm lightweight. So maybe like in Jamaica, you can literally you will smoke all 2 and you see me pull 2, and I'm like maybe lightweight. You're fine. Like your level is different.
It's just tolerance.
Once I do 2 puffs or 3, 4 puffs,
You
I'm
reach that
good.
vibes
Like I'm at my level. Like I'm
That's
content. But let me tell you guys a story. I remember one time I smoked. We went to this condo party, okay? And what I said, I have 2 stories actually. 2 times I got really high in my life. But anyways, so this one time we're at a condo on a 30-something floor. And we were smoking weed, and I looked over. We were on the balcony, we were smoking weed. I don't know who told me to look over. Yo, I feel like I was on like a balance beam going like, you know, like it feels like it's going like this. Yo, when I said we were tripping out, dude, we went back inside the house now, and they had like a whole bunch of snacks on the table. Why they have the goldfish just sitting there like?
It's true.
And yo, me and this guy was sitting with like a lean back chair. We had the deepest conversation. You know, like those movies would be like, yo, bro, like look at the stars. Like, what if the aliens? Like it was a conversation like that. That was like a time I got super high. So another point, this happened all in one night, by the way. These guys walked into the condo, and we thought they were police, and we started tripping out. But they're actually there for the party, yo. Where they were like, yo, shit, there's police. Okay, yo, relax. Just act normal. And we're like, yo, are the police? Are they not police?
Yeah, man.
We were tripping out.
It will make you prank.
But I've never gotten to that level in Jamaica. I've never it was just more like I either laugh or just get hungry or I get tired.
Yeah, but you don't really want to get to that level.
Huh? How do I what? I don't, well, like I said, for me, we just hit me. I never know what I'm gonna get. It's like a surprise for me whenever I smoke weed.
But if you go, that's good too. That's actually pretty cool.
That's why a lot of people a lot of my friends back then used to like being around me because I always bust jokes. Like I'm the funniest.
Okay, let's see what Nisha is gonna do with you know. But that I think some people, especially a friend, you can't really smoke the weed to the excess because there's always something to do. You understand? And you know, say herb burn too much, it's gonna make you just start looking the stars like she's saying. And there are some people who say, boy, no sir, come in. What? No, I'm ready to go, you know what I mean? But
well,
the
next thing that if I'm come over, I'm never like I'm not burn 3 weed now and
right.
You can't burn 3
remember the first time you burned me came up here? He was high. And you all sent a voice note to your friend them saying, yo, the weed up here is definitely different.
Because me have to make man never know if it's true. Because me used to say, yo, like the strongest weed there yard. See? Like, then I buy weed from a man who me know grow the weed. So like me burn 2 or 3, me done feed it. Me don't want no more. But since me cover, me only can like me burn 1 and me done. Me can't go no more. I just 1 or 2 times I buy from 2 somebody and I say, nah, so.
Then that good, man. That good, man. That good, you burn 1, 2, 3, you feel good, you take care, you put it up. But, alright, you know what should I say? In a Kingston, but I say you get the better weed than you get a country.
Yeah.
Because the people town man them are spending specific money for get the specific thing.
I also
kind of some way how it gets shipped afar. So Jamaica weed are still the wickedest weed to them. But you see, them 10% the best come. The only thing I best with Jamaican about it, I buy me rotted piece of yam, I then say Jamaica come from in Iraq, and you know taste good. They supposed to send better yam come here, man. But me not straight off of the Ganja city.
Okay, let's talk about the price. Because I remember when my friend came out and came to Jamaica and it was like their first time. I'm like, oh, how much weed do you want? And she's like, oh, like $40. And I'm like, girl, you're in Jamaica. Do you know how much weed $40 will get you? That's like what, 4 grand Jamaicans?
That's true.
I think she
did get to probably like half pound.
It was a lot. And like the thing is like when you buy it off people, most of the time it's like on the stem when you buy it, things like that, right?
Yeah.
When she came back, she's like, holy crap. And they didn't even end up finishing it. You get a lot of like the price difference, you get a lot.
It's a lot cheaper in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Because $10 yeah, so you get $10 and $10 I go $1,000 Jamaica.
Yeah, that's a lot.
So if you buy $1,000 worth of weed at Jamaica, you get a whole heap of weed. But to me, you almost have to smoke the whole $10 worth of weed or $1,000 worth of weed you buy at Jamaica if you get the $10 buzz of fire.
True.
Depends.
Yeah.
So me feel cause then that makes you tell you in time I come down them and say me I build up some rotted spliff regular like them, you know, me I try catch them and me say, but wait, sure. You know, you guys ever go to Jamaica and go a party or go certain place yet, and then you see one big roach. You know what roach is? Like the end part of the thing. And them thing they wear a bill of fire, you know, regularly,
Everyone
little
keeps
thing
their
and
True.
and we not dash you up.
Yeah.
No, sir.
They don't care. They just.
Yo, just as they say about Kingston, remember me and Camille got Kingston at one party, and them buy one weed, can't come with me. But a man was sell it like growing weed growing in yard, but kind of yard big, but he have this place and growing, you know. And they get about 3-4 bills worth of weed, and I could only burn one out of it. And when me did it, I may drink it. I burn the weed and I drink one Magnum and did it. I may have to say, oh, Camille, look at me and tell me if me a rock. Yeah, come here, burn the weed and it just feel like say, yo, me a rock so. I may say, yo, me a rock. I mean, say, no man, you turn up straight, man. I may say, you sure? I say yes. I say, yo, give me one cheer, yeah, man. Yeah, cause me feel like them man they like that they weed especially that they weed like it grow good.
Yeah.
That they weed well strong.
Right.
Yeah man, so yeah, it depends. You know, so my answer is Jamaica strong. To me like Jamaica weed because it's natural. Up to now because one arm good. So that's for me answer.
I'm good with both.
And it makes sense. A modern technology, you know. Yeah, man.
So yo,
Yeah.
we're just
So one
reached
is a
our.
mic or two.
I like it to them, man. Sometimes I make good in about. True.
Yes.
So we just went over a little. We're at 15 minutes and 50 seconds. So that's the end of this video. Don't forget to rate, comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up. You know, the more thumbs up and likes we've seen it, let us know that you guys actually enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment down below some topics so that we know what to do for our next video.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys in our next video.
I'll put that one.